Welcome to the vlog of Backpack Outdoors. We reached Nagaru camp on day 4 and experienced our first snow campsite. It was really very beautiful. But the weather began to change very quickly. We were instructed to have dinner quickly and enter our tents.
Hailstorming here at the Nagaru base camp at 12,500 feet. More boys, it's getting colder here. It's pretty cold. It's pretty cold. It's pretty fucking cold. There's hailstorm all everywhere. Woo. Let's go in here. Chalo abhi.
The storm was too strong and everyone was scared to death. As we were trying to sleep and were thinking about the final Sarpas snow climb, I heard a voice.
Mayur? Mayur? I'm not feeling that well. I don't think I'll be able to make it to Sarpas. I think I should return back tomorrow.
It was a scary night and we could barely sleep.
Hi, I'm Ojaswini. This was my first Himalayan trek. Climbing up to Nagaru was very challenging for me. At multiple times I thought that I should quit and return back, and I couldn't do this. But I started having some breathing problems. My sister, who was in the same tent with me, she started having a little bit of cold. Mentally and emotionally, we were like I won't be able to climb tomorrow.
Good morning. It's 2:45. We are getting ready for our Sarpa summit, and it's really freezing cold outside. So hope so the weather treats us good. Garam chai, 3 o'clock in the morning, hot cup of tea.
Never before tea at 3 a.m. Cheers.
Cheers.
Good morning, I'm good.
Very nice.
I thought maybe let's just give it a try, because it was either go to the summit with the whole group or just take a porter and then just go down with disappointment. So with a determined mind, we finally packed our bags, we packed our lunches, and we moved for the summit.
Everyone was tested for their oxygen levels before the climb began.
जब रात में निकले तो सिर्फ स्नो जो दिख रही थी वाइट कलर की, उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं, और एक टॉर्च लगा के हम लोग वहाँ से निकले. जब सुबह हुई तो लाइट हल्की सी स्नोबॉल शुरू हुई. छोटी छोटी फ्रेश स्नो आके गिर रही थी, आसपास भी फ्रेश स्नो थी. पैर रख रहे थे तो डायरेक्ट नीचे जा रहा था. चल रहे थे कैसे तैसे.
The snowfall was really an experience of a lifetime. The climb was pretty intense. It was just around 1,000 feet to climb, but at that high altitude, every step was challenging. Our excitement was growing as we were headed for the final stage of the climb.
This is the site. This is the snowfall. That was our base camp for Nagaru.
Step by step, we were inching close to our summit.
सोच रहे थे कि बस कब ख़त्म होगा, कब ख़त्म होगा, कब ख़त्म होगा. इतनी मेहनत कर करके जब ऊपर पहुँचे, ओहो, पर जो देखा है मतलब बियॉन्ड इमेजिनेशन था. मतलब इतनी बर्फ़ टीवी में भी नहीं देखी थी कभी जितनी रियल लाइफ में देखी है.
Finally reached Sarpas top. We are at 13,800 feet. This is the highest Sarpas point. This is the peak point of Sarpas. It is freezing cold here. So see you around, guys. Woo!
It was overwhelming when we reached the top. Everyone was extremely happy. But the trek was not over yet.
We had not expected. We had thought that now we've reached the top and now, we just reached the camp and it's done. But it was a long journey.
From Sar Pass top, we had to walk a long way to reach a ridge from where we would start our descent. This final ridge had a little climb, which was now getting very difficult.
पर चढ़ते चढ़ते वो पता नहीं कितना लंबा लग रहा था. मतलब एक तो बर्फ में पैर नहीं जम रहे थे, दूसरा हिम्मत भी नहीं बची थी, पैर उठ नहीं रहा था कि आगे बढ़ सके.
The final ridge where we were walking and the final slides were gonna start, that ridge was horrible. It was a big narrow valleys, I would say, a big steep kind of a structure there. We were walking like ants, one behind the other. One wrong step and you would have been.
There was a small patch of ice which we had to cross with nothing supporting us. Like we held each other, we helped each other, and we went through that patch, which was beautiful and scary at the same time.
It was time to start the descent.
The most fun part of the trek was the snow slide. It was so amazing that you just sit and you go directly to the camp.
The best part of the trek was the last slide which I did. Luckily I managed to record it.
Snow sliding was real fun.
जितना हमने 3 दिन 4 दिन में चढ़ा था, वहाँ से जो वापस आना था, आहा.
Everyone was very happy with a feeling of accomplishment. Not to forget, most of them were first timers to any kind of Himalayan trek.
So that is today's lunch point.
Four slides total, but the last slide was the biggest one and the most memorable.
Hello, so here we are at our last camp. This is Biskari, absolute paradise. Lush green fields surrounding this place. So we successfully summited our Sar Pass today. This is Deepak. Hi. We were very happy to complete the trek. Now it's going to be a fantastic celebrations night.
The day had ended with lots of joy and fun at the campfire. After all, everyone had successfully climbed till 13,800 feet, and that too after experiencing some very harsh weather conditions. Sar Pass Day 5 had been carved into their minds forever. Hit the subscribe button and join our community.